Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I've got another tutorial for you. This time we are going to clean up a kid's face, especially around the nose and lips. So the first step is to make a copy of your main layer. Next, grab the patch tool and use it to remove things like pimples, spots, or any small imperfections on the skin. Then switch to the clone stamp tool. I set the opacity to 22%. With the stamp, you can fix areas that are too dark, have shadows, or have blemishes. Around the nose, if there are any dark or dirty areas, sample from the darker part and stamp over it. For the skin areas, take samples from spots that are close in tone so it looks natural. For the lips, it's the same process. Imagine an outline around the lips like a lip liner. Anything outside that line, fix it with the clone stamps. I set the stamp opacity to 38% because 22% felt too light before. For outside the lip line, I sample from the skin nearby and stamp it over. And that's it. Here you can see the before and after.